Welcome to our channel. Today we're talking about metformin, one of the most prescribed medications for type 2 diabetes across the world, especially in the USA, Australia, and the UK. Metformin is an oral medication that helps to lower blood sugar levels. It belongs to a group of medicines called big 1-IDs. Unlike some other diabetes medicines, metformin does not cause weight gain. In fact, in some cases, it can help with weight loss. How does metformin work? Metformin works by reducing the amount of glucose produced by your liver and by increasing the sensitivity of your body's cells to insulin. This allows your body to use insulin more effectively, keeping your blood sugar levels stable. Who uses metformin? Doctors usually prescribe metformin for people diagnosed with type 2 diabetes. It can be used alone or in combination with other medications depending on how well your blood sugar is controlled. It is not usually prescribed for type 1 diabetes. Benefits of metformin: effectively lowers blood sugar levels, helps prevent diabetes complications, may assist with weight loss, generally considered safe and well tolerated. Possible side effects: while metformin is generally safe, it can cause side effects in some people. The most common include nausea, diarrhea, stomach discomfort, loss of appetite. These side effects are often mild and temporary, but if they persist, consult your doctor. Rarely, metformin can cause lactic acidosis, a serious but uncommon condition. Symptoms include extreme tiredness, trouble breathing, and stomach pain. If you notice these, seek medical help immediately. Precautions: always take metformin with food to reduce stomach upset. Limit alcohol consumption while on metformin. Tell your doctor if you have kidney or liver problems. Regular blood sugar monitoring is important. Final thoughts: metformin has been used for decades and is a trusted, effective treatment for type 2 diabetes. But remember, it should always be taken under a doctor's supervision. Never start or stop any medication without medical advice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health and medicine updates.